can get ankle injuries from basketball and other sports, and they do want to know, how can I keep my ankles strong? Well, one good way is to walk on sand if that's available in your community. That does strengthen the feet and ankles because it provides more resistance to us in our bare feet than walking with our shoes on a harder, smoother surface. Another thing you can do is take your shoes off or even have them on and try walking on the outside of your feet indoors on carpeting or on a hardwood floor. Then try walking on the outside of your feet. So again, you're rotating your foot inside and outside. You're kind of using different muscles and ligaments to strengthen your ankles. There's also exercises you can find online. There's elastic bands, which you can tie to a chair and then use your ankle to turn out and turn in. That can help to strengthen your ankles as well. Jogging and jumping eventually, as your ankles have improved, will also strengthen them, assuming you don't step on someone's foot in basketball and twist it again. So keep those ankles strong.